Hello my dear students, welcome back to my channel. I am going to discuss in this video about simple tricks of complex numbers. Here subtopic is square roots of a complex number. Now let's start. Now condition is z is equal to a plus ib, then square roots of z is plus or minus root over root a square plus b square plus a by 2 plus I into root over root of a square plus b square minus a by 2 when b is greater than 0. For suppose b is less than 0, plus or minus you have to take in this formula. Okay, root over root of a square plus b square plus a by 2. Here minus I into root over root of a square plus b square minus a by 2. That's enough. Now question is find the square roots of minus 5 plus 12i. Solution: minus 5 plus 12i comparing with a plus ib. Here a is equal to minus 5, b is equal to 12. This is greater than 0. We can use formula plus or minus root over a square plus b square plus a by 2 plus I into root over root of a square plus b square minus a by 2, b greater than 0. Okay, plus or minus root over a square minus 5 whole square is 25 plus b square 12 square is 144 plus a means plus into minus minus 5 by 2 plus I into root over here also 25 plus 144 minus into minus plus 5 by 2. Okay, now that is equal to plus or minus of root over root 169 minus 5 by 2 plus I into root over root 169 plus 5 by 2. That is equal to plus or minus root 169 is 13. 13 minus 5 by 2 plus I into root over 13 plus 5 by 2 plus or minus 13 minus 5 is 8. Root 8 by 2 plus I into root 18 by 2. Root 4 is 2. Root 9 is 3 plus or minus 2 plus 3i. That's enough. Now next question. Find the square roots of minus 8 minus 6i. Solution: minus 8 minus 6i comparing with a plus ib. Here a is equal to minus 8, b is equal to minus 6, less than 0. Okay, now formula is plus or minus root over root of a square plus b square plus a by 2 minus I into root over root of a square plus b square minus a by 2. If b less than 0, ab value substitute in this formula, you can get square roots of minus 8 minus 6a values. Okay, root over minus 8 whole square is 64, 6 whole square is 36, minus 6 whole square is 36 plus a plus into minus minus 8 by 2 minus I into, similarly here also root of 64 plus 36 minus into minus plus 8 by 2. that is equal to root over root 100. 64 plus 36 is root 100 minus 8 by 2 minus I into root over root 100 plus 8 by 2, that is equal to root over 10 minus root over 100 is 10, 10 minus 8, 2 by 2 minus I into root over 10 plus 8, 18 by 2, 18 by 2. Okay, that is equal to here plus or minus here also plus or minus 1 minus root 1 is 1 minus 3i, root 9 is 3. So the square root of, therefore the square roots of minus 8 minus 6i is plus or minus 1 minus 3i. That's enough. Remaining simple tricks of complex numbers are in my upcoming videos. So subscribe my channel for get more videos. Thanks for watching.